In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to upload and share files in Google Drive. In my opinion, Google Drive is a pretty amazing software where you can just either share files or save your files online, which is pretty simple so you don't have to have multiple hard drives. Your drive will probably look a little bit different from mine, but that's no worries. It's the same thing. So how do we actually share the files? So to make it easier to share the files, instead of having to share every individual file, we will click here on New, and we will click on New Folder and import a folder. You can name it to whatever you want. I will just go with Share. Now you don't have to share every individual file, you can just share the entire folder to make things easier. So you just click here on the folder and open it. And now it's time to import the files we would like to share. So you just click here on New again, but this time we click on File Upload. I am on Mac, so my display will probably look a bit different from you if you're on Windows, but it's the same thing. Your folder application will just pop up and you can select the folders you want to import. In my case, I will choose this and this file, and you just click on Open and they will be imported. Now to the actual sharing part. It's quite simple. You just click on the folder name up here. In my case, it's Share. Just click here, scroll down, and you see Share. And you click Share again. Now, we have two different alternatives. Either we can add people or groups that can view your folder, or if you'd like to send them a link, you have this general access. If you just click here and make anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can now view your folder, and you can change the permission of the person with the link. You might want them to be a commentator or an editor so they can add, organize, or edit the files. In my case, I just want them to be a viewer, so we'll leave that on. Click copy the link, and we're done. See, when someone pastes the links, they will get directly to your folder. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribe. And I see you in the next one.